We'll guide you through how to fix no service on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. No service on an iPhone can be an annoying problem because then you can't go and make calls and you can't go and receive them as well. And that applies to messages as well. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes we've done as I've managed to go and fix this before. So make sure there's 4 videos, the different things you can try doing, and let's go and get straight into this. So for the first fix, you want to go and drag down in the top right like so. And what you want to try doing is enabling airplane mode. So you go and find the icon in the top left, you want to go and tap on it, wait a couple seconds, everything will disconnect, and then you can go and turn it back off. Doing this will go and refresh things, and hopefully you'll then go and find a connection. Next, do just try moving location, because if there's no service, it can just be because you're in a position of where there is no service and connection to the mobile network provider. Maybe you're in a big building or something like that. So try changing location and see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, then what we're going to try doing is performing a forced restart as we'll go and refresh things. To do that, what we need to do is we need to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then we'll hold down the side power button. We'll guide you through that now. So press the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold that button. Keep it held down. You're going to see this screen, but all you need to do is keep it. Shortly, the phone's going to go black. And then when it goes black, you keep it held down. You're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So at this point, you can then go and release. Now go and wait for it to go and start. It shouldn't take long. When it comes back on, go and see if you now have service. Hopefully you do. If you still don't, what you can try doing is opening up your settings like this. Then what you can try doing is going down to General, and you want to go to the About page. Here, you may go and get prompted to go and do a carrier update. If you do, you can do it, and then you should go and hopefully get service. If you still don't worry. You want to come back here. You want to go and press General. Scroll down and you can find the option for transfer or reset iPhone. You can go and tap that there. Then at the bottom, you can go and press reset and you can go and press reset network settings. This will go and reset all of them, including Wi-Fi. So you'll need to go and reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, but it's worth trying this if you can go and solve the problem. After you've done that, go and see if you then get service. If you still don't, let's just go and press the button on the side of our phone to go and lock it. And then what you want to do is come onto the side, remove the case if you currently have one on, and you want to go and locate the SIM card tray. So as you can see, it'll be on the side just below the volume rockers. What you want to do is go and get your SIM card tool or a paper clip. This would have come in the box. And what we're going to do is go and put it into the hole here, push it in, and just go and remove the SIM, like so. What you want to do is remove it. You can give it a quick inspection, make sure that it's nice and clean and there's no dust or debris on there, which could be causing problems. There shouldn't be, but then what you can do is go and put it back in. And sometimes doing that will then go and fix the problem. So you can come and unlock it again. And hopefully now you go and get service. If you still don't, then what you should try doing is contacting your carrier, as there's a chance the SIM may be blocked or it needs to be properly activated, which is why you're getting it. So contact the carrier and hopefully they'll be able to go and give you a resolution or maybe to send you another one in case the SIM card is faulty. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how to fix guides and how to do things as well. And we've got loads more on the channel, so if you want to go and check them out, feel free to. We really appreciate it.